Hello, this is an explosion box and it measures approximately 3 3/4 by 3 3/4, just over. And what we do is you pull up, if you've never seen one of these before, and you can put sweets, little gifts, whatever you like in the centre here, or a picture. And we have a little booklet here for small little pictures. And we open that up and you can get 6 little pictures on that one. I'll put that in there. You can also get one on the back, one on that side, which goes in there. That flips down, and then you can get one on there and one on there. Same with this one. This one's got a little place for a little notes, little note to write out. Put that like that. Pictures, pictures, keepsakes. Anything that you want to put in there goes on there. That one undoes, that is a bow. That one falls out. So you get pictures on that side and pictures on that side. Goes up. Like so. Then that flips over there. And that pulls out. Oh, that one pulls out. In there, turn it round, and that one is again another little note cards. Put a few in there, look at that, a couple in there. And a little pocket, again pictures, and again another pull out. Put it plain on that side. And it all boxes up. These can be personalised with your names or special occasion, whatever you want. Will be personalised if you want one made, and then it all goes into a lovely little, looks like a little gift box with some lace trim on it, this one, so you can have your name on it or whatever you want written on it, so it's all the same all the way around. There's a pink little cream bird and some little butterflies. Thank you for watching.